President Trump says it's a matter of religious freedom. Tonight we break down why some women are afraid they will no longer be able to afford birth control. Trump administration rolling back rules and now says any company can stop providing insurance coverage of birth control for women if they have religious or moral objections.
The Department of Health and Human Services says no one should be forced to violate their conscience to follow health care laws. They say today's order will not change anything for more than 99.9% of American women. But KXAN's Phil Prazen takes a closer look at that claim.
I think a lot of people do agree that the government should not be dictating what private businesses should do on this.
Jonathan Saenz, president of Texas Values, says 25 million Americans work for churches or organizations already exempt from providing birth control coverage. But groups like Little Sisters of the Poor, a religious institute for women, have been in court, along with 200 other organizations for years, citing religious objections. Saenz says the first change in coverage will be from them.
I would think that's what we'll see, and that's why that number was put out there specifically by the White House.
For a lot of women, especially low-income women, affording contraception can be a real struggle.
Stacey Pogue, a policy analyst at the Center for Public Policy Priorities, wrote in a blog post Friday, some women will have to pay out of pocket because their birth control won't be covered. Up to $60 a month for the most expensive pill, up to $1,000 for an IUD. However, she says many large companies will likely choose to continue coverage because covering birth control is cheaper than covering unplanned pregnancies.
Saves a lot of money on prenatal care, labor and delivery, infant health care costs, all of that the insurance company would be paying for. So
she says it's difficult to know exactly the impact because it's so broad, and your specific case will be up to your employer. Phil Prazen, KXAN News.
And if you are concerned about losing coverage for birth control, the Center for Public Policy Priorities recommends you talk to your employer.
The new regulation is part of the president's push to change the federal approach on religious freedom. In May, President Trump signed an executive order allowing for broad exemptions. After signing the order, Trump said he wanted to give churches back their voice. Just hours after the ruling, several lawsuits already filed. That includes the Attorney General of Massachusetts, National Women's Law Center, the Center for Reproductive Rights, and Americans United for Separation of Church and State, and the American Civil Liberties Union.